Hi, my name's Scott Reynolds. I'm the founder of SaaS Success, and I've been working with Jim James over the last couple of months to help with my business. I've been working on his business clarity program, which has been a great help. I don't have a marketing or PR background, so starting out with my first business venture, I was feeling a bit overwhelmed around what do I do? How do I start getting the word out there, building my brand? So finding Jim and his program, which just really laid out a step-by-step process that I could follow, was just a massive help. Really enjoyed working with Jim. He made everything super simple, took it step by step, and just guided me through a process that helped build my confidence and helped me to understand really what I was trying to do with my business and think of things in a different way and from a different perspective that I hadn't considered. Working with Jim, I've definitely built my confidence, and I've now got a clear game plan about how I'm going to go to market, start attracting customers and building out my income stream for my business.